I'm gonna need y'all to talk amongst yourselves and figure out who's going to take one for the team and kiss me.
What's going on, my peeps? Yeah, this is a 3080 graphics card. Um, this bad boy came with a ripped memory pad, or just a missing memory chip, so I replaced it. It also had a missing pad, which I don't know if you can tell there, but I, replaced the missing memory pad. The card does turn on now, but I cannot get it to be recognized under Linux or Windows. It just turns on, but yeah, I can't get past that. I've checked all the faces with the oscilloscope and everything checks out good. Core turns on hot and all, but I'm thinking that this is going to be um, a tricky one, maybe. I have to do a little more poking around here on the back. I also noticed that it had some caps here missing on the back of that same memory chip. So this card was treated really, really, really bad. And I don't know if there's any other parts missing. I just like I fixed that and then I put it away for a while because the customer doesn't want it back. So um, the cost related with I had to reball the core and just he doesn't want it, so he didn't want it, so yeah, I have it anyway. Pain in the butt. I'm sure it's memory. I'll figure it out. But anyway, that's not the theme of the video today. What I wanted to talk about is a scam. A scam going on right now in the used market. Facebook, eBay, Craigslist, you name it. This is, I believe it is a 4080. I might be wrong. I don't know. But when the customer bought it online, he got it and installed it in the system, tried to turn it on. Of course, it didn't power on because it doesn't have a faces, memory, core, all it's missing. So watch out because this is going on right now, big time. I've been using it for parts. You can see there, because there's nothing that I can do with that board. I mean, technically, yeah, I could put everything back together, but the cost related to that, no thanks. This is a 3090. Also the same thing. Customer bought it, thought it will, it was a great deal, but as you can see, like, this is horrible, man. Like, the way the card was treated, like when the core was lifted, it's just like, would I use this board to slap another core on here? There's a ton of little SMDs missing on this board. No, I wouldn't. I would just use it for parts, and that's exactly what this is. This is just a donor. But there is this scam going on. Like, these are just two that I managed to keep. I've actually had about 12 of these cards, from different people. I have a friend that brought me like 4 or 3 4070s that had like this, exactly like this, with the core missing or actually lifted, and it was stuck to the heatsink. So just be careful, guys, if you're buying from the used market. I think these things are being shipped to China. I don't know, because of all the sanctions, and like restrictions put on Nvidia because of AI, all that political stuff. So I think that's what's going on. So I would stay away from the used market if you can right now. There's a couple of in the country where I live. There's a website called fin.no, and there's only a few pages that I trust. I have a friend that actually sells good graphics cards, and I know that because whenever they're bad, that he brings them to me, and I make sure that they're working properly, or I fix them or whatever. Yeah, so he is from Sarpsborg, so you might recognize him because he sells a ton of graphics cards online. Anyway, so yeah, just be careful. This is going on big time. And Tony from what is it, Northwest Repair. He made a video also where he found the same issue with the third. I think it was a 3090. Yeah, that had the missing core. And it's like I've been getting these cards like crazy. Okay, from people, and I have to explain to them what's going on. So yeah, be careful. And yeah. Anyway, that's all I wanted to bring to your attention. Just just an FYI. This is happening. It is something going on. All right. Bye bye.